Alright guys, I think it's like 11:59, so just in time for the morning. So good morning everyone. This is day 11, day 1 to 30 of no drinking. Still sober, still here, still showing up, and I'll touch base with you guys this afternoon. Alright, bye. It's second checkup of the day. I think it's about 3 o'clock. What's it? Saturday, 11th day of no drinking, day 1 to 30. Yeah, so I'm feeling a little bit pumped today. It's almost getting boring, bit of a schlep. Yeah, and it's a little bit kind of grumpy-ish, irritated-ish. I don't know, it's a little bit off today. Very puffed, very like apathetic, apathy, whatever. So go away, you nasty little fly. So yeah, I just decided eventually, look, just go do something. I filled up a watering can and I watered something. I watered one or two plants, and then I saw something over there, and I was like, let's water that. 2 hours later, I was finished, and then it's cleaning the caravan. So basically, just keeping busy, just doing things. So that, and it's not like I'm having fun, but it's not like it's terrible. It's just kind of in the middle, just doing things and not thinking, I suppose. And it's quite satisfying when you sit down and everything's done. So yeah, still sober, still showing up. Sorry, that was a little bit more, maybe that was oversharing. It was a bit more than usual. But anyways, it is what it is. I'm here, I'm sober, showed up, and I will see you guys again tomorrow morning. Hopefully a beautiful Sunday.